Across the globe, cultures share a common thread, the story of a great flood. From ancient Mesopotamia to the Americas, tales of a devastating deluge that reshaped the world have been passed down through generations. The details may vary, but the core message remains consistent: a catastrophic flood that tested the resilience of humankind. These stories are more than just myths. They offer a glimpse into the past, a time when our ancestors faced unimaginable natural disasters. The Great Flood, as it is often called, has captured the imagination of people for centuries, inspiring countless works of art, literature, and religious texts. But what could have caused such a widespread catastrophe? Could a flood of such magnitude have actually occurred? These are questions that have puzzled scientists, historians, and theologians for centuries. While the exact nature and extent of the flood remain a subject of debate, scientific evidence suggests that catastrophic floods did occur in various parts of the world. One of the most compelling theories about the Great Flood centers around the Black Sea. Today, it is a vast saltwater sea. But thousands of years ago, it was a much smaller freshwater lake. Then around 7,500 years ago, something dramatic happened. As glaciers melted at the end of the last ice age, sea levels rose dramatically. The rising waters of the Mediterranean Sea eventually breached the Bosporus Strait, a narrow passage that separates the Black Sea from the Mediterranean. The result was a catastrophic flood. Imagine a wall of water towering over the landscape, rushing in with unstoppable force. The freshwater lake that was once the Black Sea was quickly inundated with salt water. The rising waters swallowed up vast areas of land, displacing entire communities and transforming the region's geography. This event, known as the Black Sea Deluge, would have been a cataclysm of epic proportions. The sudden and dramatic nature of the flood, along with its impact on human populations, makes it a strong contender for the origin of the Great Flood myths in the Near East. The melting of glaciers at the end of the last ice age had other dramatic consequences. Vast glacial lakes formed by meltwater trapped behind natural dams dotted the landscape. When these dams failed, the result was catastrophic flooding. One of the most striking examples of this phenomenon is the Missoula floods, which occurred in what is now the northwestern United States. Repeatedly, a massive glacial lake known as Glacial Lake Missoula broke through its ice dam, unleashing unimaginable torrents of water. These floods, some of the largest known to have occurred on Earth, carved out the dramatic landscape of the channeled scablands. Giant ripples, hundreds of feet high, are etched into the land, a testament to the power of these ancient floods. While the Missoula floods were regional events, they demonstrate the potential for catastrophic flooding on a massive scale. It is not difficult to imagine how such events occurring in different parts of the world could have inspired stories of a world-altering deluge. Section 4. Impacts from space. A cosmic connection. Could forces from beyond our planet have played a role in the Great Flood? Some researchers believe so. They point to evidence of ancient impacts from comets or asteroids as potential triggers for catastrophic flooding. One such impact, the Younger Dryas impact hypothesis, is thought to have occurred around 12,900 years ago. This event, which is still debated among scientists, is linked to widespread environmental changes, including a sudden cooling period and the extinction of many large animals. The impact of a large object from space could have triggered tsunamis of unimaginable size, inundating coastlines around the world. The sudden melting of glaciers, caused by the heat of the impact, could have further contributed to the flooding. While the evidence for impact-triggered floods is still being investigated, it is a tantalizing possibility. The idea that a cosmic event could have reshaped our planet and influenced human history is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Section 5. Conclusion. Seeking answers in the depths. The search for the origins of the Great Flood is a journey through time, a quest to understand the forces that have shaped our planet and our collective memory. While definitive answers remain elusive, scientific evidence suggests that catastrophic floods have played a significant role in Earth's history. Whether it was the sudden inundation of the Black Sea, the unleashing of glacial lake outbursts, or the impact of a celestial object, these events left an indelible mark on our planet and its inhabitants. The stories we tell about the Great Flood are a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of humankind. The study of ancient floods is an ongoing process. New discoveries are constantly being made, challenging old assumptions and shedding new light on the past. By piecing together the geological, archaeological, and cultural evidence, we can gain a deeper understanding of these catastrophic events and their impact on human civilization. The Great Flood, once relegated to the realm of myth and legend, is now emerging as a subject of serious scientific inquiry. As we delve deeper into the depths of time, we can begin to unravel the mysteries of this ancient cataclysm and gain a greater appreciation for the forces that have shaped our world.